Hello everyone, this is tutorial for my subscriber, and in previous video we did a header review. Don't forget to check this video, how we fixed the header and added transpositive, and now it looks like this. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue, like images looks weird and they are not responsive at all, and it looks more like a mess to be true. Okay, so basically I'm going to delete this section. I'm sorry for this. So before we start, if you are my subscriber, you can contact me for help. I can create custom tutorial for you. Check the description under this video, and there are email which you can use to contact me with your questions. Also, there is a link for donation to send me some tips if this video was helpful for you too. Okay, so now back to tutorial. This section created in wrong way at all. There shouldn't be any 3 columns, it should be only 2 columns. So remember, when we work with graphic like images, we just use it. We don't do anything with it on website, we just use it. So I created the graphic here, which is one image. It shouldn't be done with any CSS or Divi theme, anything, like you can see it here. It should be done in Photoshop. It's work for designer, that's all. So I created new 2 section, and it should look uniform like all other sections, and it should be a bit better. So I just do how I feel it should be. So first, equalize column height click button, and let's make it vertical aligned. Align items center. Okay, now it's vertical aligned, and this section looks really huge, and you have some shadow here. Let's open a website. Here how it looks original. It actually should be like this, but it looks a bit bad. It's I copied section, so never mind. Okay, so in this section we should be used 1 image and 1 text, not 3 texts like you did. It should be 1 text column. If you want to add shadow, add it to the text model, not to the whole. So I delete this. Okay, now we have section like this, and you see how much cleaner it looks already. I agree, images looks small, and it should be much bigger, but it's already looks much cleaner. Let's do refresh our page and see how it works on the front end website. Okay, my internet is extremely slow right now, and it's big issues. Okay, let's just continue adjust our section. Let's see what we can do other. For header, we did our container. Let's check our container size for header. It's 140. So let's do same container for this. Container should be same for whole website. So your content should be same width for whole website. You see now header is same width as content. It makes a website looks professional. By the way, see how this section looks weird compared. Okay, I wanted to show you how I did beautiful section, but it looks so bad. What is it? Okay, never mind. Okay, so we have some spacing on the bottom. Let's check where it comes from. I'm pretty sure it's from. Oh, okay. Well, now it's better. Now we should remove our padding, right? So, and now it should be row sizing. There shouldn't be any sizing. Okay, So look, for sizing, you do not use it. Don't use sizing. It will break all your responsive settings. Use only spacing like padding, and that's it. You don't need any other sizing. Okay, spacing is default. Let's save and let's see how it works. So you can see image is over spacing, it's out of screen, while mine are always inside container, which will look ok, just ok. Not beautiful, but ok. I will show you how we are going to adjust it in future. Okay, let's refresh our page and see what we have on our current stage. This row should be removed and internet sucks totally. Okay, now this section looks like this, which already isn't so bad. I'm not sure if you like it, but look, the header and content, it's same width. Images looks ok. I would suggest you to make the spacing between columns smaller, maybe like this, and maybe I would suggest you to make smaller text, maybe like this. I'm not sure if you like it. I like this layout. If you want, you can adjust columns, like clicking this gear, design, content, and here you can adjust the spacing. So here I did image bigger and content smaller. For me it looks okay. I'm not sure, it looks good. I just don't like this blue color, so this is why I say okay and not perfectly beautiful. But this section looks good. I would also recommend you to do not use the drop shadow. It looks bad, just looks bad. I used to use it every website I did, but after I started some design, I got that it looks bad. I'm not sure, this text looks heavy. Why there are no spacing? Also, there is something with the builder. There are some errors. Oh, it's my errors. Not worry. Okay, and let's check what we can do, because I added space here and it's not. You see, it's for some reason it's not loading well. But anyway, let's check what we can do. It shouldn't be like this. Divi builder loading very good, and it should be very good, especially here, but visual size doesn't work for him for some reason. Maybe it's my connection, internet connection, maybe something different, but the spacing should appear. You see here spaces are bigger than here. It just needs more spacing. Okay, there are no any updates, any plugins, so probably it's my connection. So we have this section. It looks like this. Oh, you have button here. Why you have button here? Ah, because you did 2 columns. Okay, I will just leave it. I will just leave it. Okay, so here what we have on this stage, and as for me it looks much more professional. I would just leave it, but I would make a spacing like this. I'm not sure why I can't. I will try to reload page and see how it works. My internet connection is very bad right now, and I hope it will load in right now, but I have no idea. Okay, so next your question was according the services. I'm not sure. Services are this. By the way, these icons are huge. They should be very tiny. Like this. Icons should be same size through the website. Or your content should be same size for the website. So text should be one size, paragraph should be, heading should be another size, you see, it was my internet connection. Now it's not adding paddings. Okay, again my connection, like this. Something like this. Okay, let's try to save it and see if it works. I'm not really sure it will work because it's something with basic sim configuration, like spacing, some global stuff. But let's see if it works here. And it should be good. The most of video, you can turn the video on x2 speed, because I just wait most time of video when it's loading. Okay, it looks pretty good right now, and I think this section finished. So let's go to another. You had question here that services section with the icons don't display right on different screens. I think this one is services, or which one? I'm not sure. I don't understand what this word saying. But from what I see, the responsive works good. By the way, for this section, you can see the responsive is perfectly. And I'm not sure which section is you are talking about, so please confirm. And you want to have the responsive. So for responsive, I can't check for your website for responsive. It would be very nice if you will tell me which issues you have, and I will tell you how to fix it. From what I see, everything looks responsive how you did it. Okay. So we did header in previous video, we did this section in this video, we tested responsive for this section. I would do you had also question for the feedback for this page. So you did every section in Unity way. Look, every section, every element should be same as other. So if you use paragraph text here, 14 size, here 14 size, and here should be 14 size. If you use text h2 title, it's all should be same, like here this. For example, here you are using h2 title with 30 pixels. So here, I'm not sure which one you use. I think, what is this? Why it looks so weird? Okay, h2. So it should be same 30 pixels. It should be same like this section. So if you understand, so whole your website should be same width, same size, same spacing, same style. Okay, it's pretty easy, and it looks, why it's not so weird, and it makes your website much more professional looking with just this easy. What is going on? Why it's not? It's something completely weird with this theme. So it looks much more professional. Just use same sizes, same spacing, same colors, like container. Why this one is one width and this one is another width? It should be same width. like why here is some spacing on the left. Like we go to spacing, there are no spacing, okay. But why there are spacing? I see spaces. Where did you add it? Like spacing here, left and right. No, there shouldn't be any spacing. Shouldn't be at all. And container width should be exactly same, like 130, and width should be 90%, so it looks better on the responsive. Let's try header. What is this at all? It's heading, so let's copy this. It should be one element with text, as it's one block of text. It's not two blocks of text, it's one block of text, just thinking logically. And let's make it like h3, and go to h3 and make it your color. Nice work for getting colors globally, it's extremely good work. Okay, we made same size. This one we can delete, and I'm sure you added spaces to align it. I'm not sure where, but I'm sure you did. Okay, so now we should align it vertically. We do use custom equalize column width, column height, custom CSS, and align items. I have a video about this feature on my channel. You can find and use it. Here we delete so huge space, it shouldn't be so huge. Okay, spaces are not really configured on this website. Okay, let's use this one. I'm not sure. Okay, so now you see the container. Okay, there are some image issues with image too. It's not aligned to the right side. There are no spaces. You see the container ends here, but image is much smaller. And here spacing, no spacing. We don't need this space. But why there are? Let's save it and see how it looks on front end. Basically, you need to do the same for this section. It should be same container and same width, like for your other website, so it looks on same line. It's not aligned because I used wrong size. It should be 140. Okay, so let's try 140. Okay, and here should be same. My fault. Okay, 140. Okay, you see now compared to the header, it's all aligned, and this one should be aligned too, but it's already. I think so. Okay, so now we have aligned here. For it looks here it should be okay. You got this solution for buttons, so let's just make it here. For icons, I would just make them really smaller, like really smaller, and you can do it sizes adjust here, like let's make it 150. All icons should be very small. Where are icons? Image and icon. Okay, here. Here is height only. Okay, so let's make height 80, 50, no, 70, 60, like this. It's a person came here to read text, but in your case, the image overlapping text, so whole attention of person will be on image and not on the text. Okay, but we can see issue that text is not aligned because images are different sizes. Oh, Divi here made a mistake about it. It should be height settings and not width settings. Let's try to fix it with. You see them? It's not on one line like this image is bigger, this one is smaller, and this one is bigger, and this why we have issues. But we can fix it with height, with custom CSS, with autumn. Important. Doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Let's try to check again. Okay, remove sizing, and here sizing. No. Let's try our CSS. Okay, it's actually adjusted the size, but not adjusted the icon. So we really need to adjust the icon too. And it's made by Font Awesome, so it should be font size 70 pixels. Not really work. Overflow hidden. Let's check what. Okay, you see how big part is not in the shape. Okay, another solution I can propose here is to make it like this. I have no idea why it's bad solution. It shouldn't be like this. You should write same CSS for whole area. 75 pixels, and like this. I don't know. It's not same completely. You see, it's not same. Okay, let's check on Spice and what you have here. So 41, 41, 8, 8. 8, it's too small. I can tell you from experience. It's left and right. It should be like 25 and should be like 40 and 40 and 20 should be okay. Okay, let's try this one, and spaces should be same everywhere. Spaces should be same. Just remember it. Spaces should be same. Styling should be same. Width, height, everything should be same. It's just for okay. Spaces are good, but you can see it's not aligned with height. You made this elements. They're looking not very modern. So basically we need to adjust the height element. I told you not to use height, but in this case I don't see any other solutions. So like, let's check which height we have. Like it's 500 pixels, but don't use height. Use min height. So it's okay. It's big. It will size height from minimum height. Okay, need bigger. 150. Great. So now we can add min height to this section. Min height, and we can adjust to. Don't use height. Fix it width and height. Width and height will break your website. Use only max height and min height. Okay, nice. We have same sections, same height here, which will be same, which will look okay. Tight to talk. Nice. To make it smaller on the tablet, You can just make it like this. So sizing, min height, and disable on table should be auto. Okay, auto. And same should be on this. Let's turn on tablet. We see we get rid on the unnecessary space, and doing same here. Please remember the size should be same for whole website. Okay, we got rid of this space, and we got rid of this space. Nice, nice. So it looks much more better. To be true, I would got rid of this white background. I'm not sure why you need it. Look, it's just you just don't need it. That's true. Maybe you're not sure how to get rid of it because I'm not sure where is it. Okay, you added box sizes, box shadow. Sorry. Okay, box shadow, and above this should be some title. It should be some title. Actually, this is section. Look, this one section, and this is end of section. So this element should be in another section. So you just do another section. Okay. Actually, I will just copy this one. Copy this one, and now I can delete this. What the? Why is it? Why it's not? What is going on? And here we should delete top area. Okay, here worked. No, here doesn't work too. Don't tell me you added here. Okay, right, you added min height. You for section you shouldn't do it. It should be like this. And this background image, I'm not sure where you added it. Maybe by custom CSS before after. No, I'm not sure where you added it. I will try to find. I just don't see even ideas where you could add it. Did you add some ID? Not. Model elements? Not. I'm really not sure where did you add it. So you should remove the bottom element. Border, maybe border. I know the Divi has some styling, some dividers. Right, so basically this divider sucks. Dividers. I'm not sure. Just try to do not use it. It really looks like 10 years old. I don't know. That's true. I'm sorry, but that's true. It looks like 10 years old. These dividers. I even didn't know they exist, especially so big. So here we just do none. And for the divider, if you want to use them, make it smaller at least twice. Let's try. Okay, I'll just put it, but I would divide it. I'm not sure. And here should be some space and some title. I would add some title. For it, we need new section text, and add some section title. It can be some call to action, or I don't know, whatever you want, but I feel like it should be here. And we remove the top. Okay, there is some margin, it's unnecessary. Okay, and now we can add some title here. Let's make it h3 and go to h3 and make it right color. I'm not sure why it didn't push the styling for the h3. Default regular. I'm really not sure why it didn't fetch the font size, font style, font family, etc. It should fetch automatically, but it didn't. Maybe like this. No. Maybe like this. I'm not sure, but it should be okay. So here should be some title, and it should be in not same weight, same size. Like 0, it should be same like this, exactly same like this. Okay. So it's not same title as content title, it's section title, so it should be bigger. Okay, just like this. Some section title here. Okay, we have these blocks, and on the bottom we need to remove this space from the divider. Okay, and now we have something like this, which looks good. Okay, same issue, same elements, they are responsive, they are good, same width, this section is same width too. I would do same width here, but you can do it. I'll leave it for you, or no. I will just update it, and here 90%. Please don't do a drag and drop feature here. By the way, this container size, it's big. It's really big. I would make it really smaller, but your website is really wide, and I made it just to fit. Okay, let's make it like this. So now we can add some spacing below images. Where is it? This is text. This one is text. Why have you? Oh, okay. Margin bottom 60 pixels. How did you add it? Text, line height 80 pixels. Okay, it should be like this. If you use text size, you should use line height. This why it didn't work well. So for text, if you use line, it's just not right configured line height. That's okay. It's very easy fix, but you see it becomes much better with right line height. Okay, this section looks better too. Now let's go to this one. Please check if you have the height here. I'm not sure if you put it. This section title should be same as this section title. Whole section title should be same. So okay, we should finish because it's battery end. And this title looks good, I think. And footer looks good. Like for your level, it looks pretty okay. If you want, we can redo it too. But I'm not sure. Let me know what you think about these comments. I think I answered all your questions. If no, let me know in chat in WhatsApp, where you write me your comments, so we can adjust the settings you need. Would be nice to have some screenshots about questions you need. And please ask some precise questions like I want to do this or I want to do that. Not something like I don't feel good about some page. Like check whole page takes a lot of time and energy, so it would be nice to answer precise questions like you did before. But second part of questions are very common. I can't answer them because I just can't. Okay, so let me know your future questions if you have. I will be happy to assist you with answers. These spaces should be removed. And please adjust other sections just like I did, and in future try to use it. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day.